This is the entrance to the Kings Park, where we always go for a walk every day as weather permitting. In front of me is the man-made lake, and there's a Chinese pagoda donated by the local Chinese community. You see another area there, there's a bridge where you cross and the bridge between the lake. This is a more view of the Kings Park, and you can see there's a duck or a birds in the lake. Lot of people walking today, being a nice day. Okay, we are now going south toward the river. In front of me is the Red River. The water is very high as there was a flood from North Dakota, and so this is the water flowing very fast in the Red River. This is the Red River. In front of me, you can see Lucy happily walking around. The water almost reaches the walkway here. More view of the park. Across the lake is the Fido Field, where you can let your dog run loose. Now, in front of me is still the Red River. See how high is the water? We're coming now to the Carol Shield Garden. Nothing is planted yet, so by later summer this will be all full of flowers. Across me is the Dog Oakley Park. In front of me there's another garden where you can sit and read books at your own leisure. Again, the Red River. We're now on the west side of the park. This is usually our route. We go around the park, but due to the high water, the road is closed. As you can see in front of me, they're all water, so we cannot go do this anymore. I guess we have to wait for another couple of weeks before we can do our usual route. Now we're gonna go to the garden. And in front of me is the native plants, but there's nothing planted yet. And in front, there's our Lucy. Busy snipping all the trees. And in front of me is St. Mary's Road, where you can see some cars. This is another area in the park where people can sit down, relax, and read a book. Leaves is still out. There's still no leaves in the trees. Another few weeks they'll be nice and green. We are back now again in the Carol Chill Garden, and we are entering the off-leash dog park where you can let your dog run loose. Not too many dogs today, only I guess Lucy. Across is the St. Mary's Road again, and this is the continuation of the road that was flooded, that's flooded by water. You can see still water. We usually walk around this road goes around the park. And I think it will take about few weeks before we can use this road. Lucy, come here! There's Lucy in the mud. Lucy's walked through the water. And there's David in the front. This is the view, another view from Fido Park. There's a rock garden in front of me. They usually have water running. Do you hear that? Lots of frogs singing. Now we're on the west side again. This is the continuation of the Kings Park. It's still on the west side. As you can see, the walkway, some of this is under the water. And there's two Canada goose there. Oh, and look at that. Lots of Canada goose. In front of me is the parking lot where you park. last view of the park.